Hey guys, I'm back and welcome to another episode of the wonderful Notorious Explorers. We are going to a lake. Yeah, a lake. You heard that right. Not a big one, mind you, just a small one. It used to be a lake, but now there's just tiny ponds. And if you go more and more in the video, you'll see awesome photo shots, wonderful star lines, and last but not least, the Notorious Explorers people. And if you haven't already, subscribe, like and share. We work so hard. All we need you to do is just touch a tiny red button.
Alright, so guess what the Notorious Explorers discovered today? A lake. I'm not sure if this is man-made or natural.
It's definitely natural.
I don't think so. You don't get water in middle of the desert like this. But whatever it is, it's something which is left to be dried up and it's not yet ready. I believe this is man-made. We got one here. There is one over there.
Be careful, there might be quicksand.
Yes, you have to be extremely careful over here when you are walking. There could be quicksand. There is one here. You can see that it's almost dried up, and
It could be.
It could be, but it's all dried up, so there is no question of quicksand now.
Okay. So I can go that side and show the barricaded
Hey
one.
guys, look.
Yes.
This piece of sand looks like Africa.
Okay,
Or was it?
let's go to the one which is barricaded. This is the third one, barricaded one. We came the other way around, and you can see that it's all barricaded. It was barricaded, pretty dried up and filthy as usual. People have put a lot of hard work in making it dirty with thermocol plates and thermocol residue plastic bottles. There you go. Alright, so let's head back to our camping ground.
See, I wasn't lying about the lake. So, look at the sunset. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the tiny yellow dot which is now wait. That's me. Wait. Oh my God, that's me. Wow, it's finally. I wanted to do this experiment for so long. You don't know how happy I was.
देता है हर कोई सौं तुम मगर अंधेरों ना छोड़ना मेरा
sand like our car. Hey, who's rolling? Oh, rollovers. That's what's going on. Hey, roll over too. Why are you not joining in the fun? Huh? Why is he not joining in on the fun? I would like him to join in on the fun. That would be cool. Really cool. Hey, ooh, look at me. Look at me. Look at that. Oh yeah, you saw my flip? Cool, right? Look at this. Ooh, throw. Isn't it so cool? Look at me, I'm sick and you saw me lying down. Look at this. I left sand, I drew sand, I fell on my knees, I flipped, happy, and then I rolled over. Cool, right? Comment, please. Watch as I jump. Don't worry, I didn't break my leg. Hey, what's that blue thing is coming or going? I can't see it. Ooh, it's coming. What is it? What is it? Oh, it's alright. It's the blue Xterra, looking as fancy as usual. And I believe you enjoyed the video. We celebrated 1,420 subscribers, and we're going away from our craft. Ooh, look, camels. They're so fun to ride. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. We work so hard. Just press a tiny red button. How hard is it? And bye-bye. Until next time.